Morning. So this morning we are going to be boiling eggs in our Rational oven. So let's go and boil some eggs. Hit the picture of the egg. There we go. Then we are going to go to poached and boiled eggs. So press the button. So this will bring you up to your menu. So you want to press how soft or hard you want it. And then what size of egg you've got. So I've just gone for a medium egg here. And then off we go, and it's on to the preheat. Once it's preheated, add your eggs in on the standard steamer tray. That's the ones with the holes in. So in we go. And then you basically shut the door and wait for the buzzer to go. So this is going to take about 7 minutes. And once it's done, take your eggs out and refresh them as normal. And then you should be left with a perfectly boiled egg. So don't forget to click and subscribe and follow me for more recipes on Was Cooks.